In this video, I'll show you how to use your eBay gift card online. It's quick and easy. First, go to ebay.com and sign into your account. Add the item you want to buy to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, look for the gift card section. Click on Apply and enter the gift card number and PIN from the back of the card. Once entered, the balance will automatically apply to your purchase. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can use a credit card, PayPal, or other available payment methods for the rest. If your purchase is under the gift card value, the remaining balance stays on the card for future use. You can also check your gift card balance anytime by visiting the gift card balance page on eBay's website. And that's it. Using an eBay gift card online is simple, once you know where to enter the details. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more shopping tips and online guides.